Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Do you want to play with me? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Board. Sound. Want. House. Conversation. I have a board game. Do you want to play with me?
Okay, when?
After school today?
Where can we play?
At my house.
When can I go to your house?
How about 3 o'clock?
Sounds good.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. I have a board game. Do you want to play with me?
Okay, when?
After school today?
Where can we play?
At my house.
When can I go to your house?
How about 3 o'clock?
Sounds good.
Word quiz. House. Want. Board. Sound. Conversation quiz. What did Max say? have a board game. Do you want to play with me?
Okay, when?
What did Max say?
Where can we play?
At my house. After school today? What did Max say?
When can I go to your house?
I have a board game. How about 3 o'clock? You did it. You were superstar. Yay! Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.